Welcome back to Civil Builders. I am Engineer Aslan and today we are continuing our Revit learning journey. So let's dive in. Grid lines are essential because they ensure accuracy by aligning and organizing our elements. To create a grid line, navigate to Architecture tab and choose Grid from the toolbar. Now click anywhere in the drawing area and drag toward the right side. Revit will automatically label this grid line. We can easily modify its name by clicking and typing. To modify its length, we have to click on its edge and then drag towards the required length. We can also change its position by selecting and dragging towards the next point. To generate its duplicate, I use CO as a command. We can modify this distance by selecting my grid line and typing. Similarly, to generate multiple copies, I use array command. I select an element and then mention the distance and then how many copies I want. For instance, I want 5 copies. Then it automatically generates 5 copies of these grid lines having a distance of 15 feet. We can also modify its grid families from the properties panel. To show this circle on the other end, I have to select my grid line and check this box. And that's all for today's session. I hope you found this video helpful. Make sure to subscribe Civil Builders. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.